Hi, and welcome to this tutorial of the PEASx inventory management software. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an item. Now, as we all know, items are goods that you manufacture or trade in, which means the items that you sell or purchase, right? Now, items can also be services that you offer your customers. Now, let's just go ahead and see how easy it is to enter an item in the PEASx software. To do that, what we need to do is we need to go to inventory. We can go to inventory from here or from the top menu here. Click on inventory, click on new item, and we have a new window that opens up which says inventory master, add item. Before we proceed, let's just understand this window properly. Let's understand every field. The first thing that we see here is the item code. Now, the item code is a code that you assign to every item. As you all know, most items, almost all items rather, come with a barcode. So all you need to do is just enter the barcode of the item into this item code. However, you need to be very sure that the barcode of this item and the code that you've entered match perfectly. Okay. Another way of doing it is you can choose your own code. Now, the code is a combination. It could be just pure numeric, or it could be a combination. It could be an alphanumeric code. Now, if you are in the automobile sector, you can also use the part number as an item code. Moving on to the next, which is the item name. Now, when we talk about item name, you need to be very specific. It has to be self-descriptive, just so that we can identify the name of the item later on. Okay. Moving on, we come to the unit of measure. Now, all items are sold on the measure, or rather on the basis of quantity. So, yes, the quantity in turn can be measured in terms of kilograms, liters, packets, pieces, depending on the item. You'll see an entire list here. We will show you how to use all of this in an example that we'll do now, very shortly. Now, after the unit of measure, we come to the tax class, the HSN, the price per unit, and opening stock. Now, to understand how to fill this in, let's take the example. You see an example in the screen in front of you, right? We're going to enter this item into the inventory master. So starting with the item code. I have the option of entering the barcode of this item into the item code. Or I can generate my own item code, which could be a numeric or alphanumeric. Alternately, I could leave it blank and just press enter, in which case the system itself has given me an item code. And then I enter the item name. In this case, we're talking about Lay's. However, we know that Lay's has many flavors. This item specifically is the classic salted. So what I'm going to do is enter the name Lay's classic salted and press enter, where we come to unit of measure. As we all know, these are measured in terms of packets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in PK and I get the option for packets. I select packets and press enter, which takes me to the tax class. Now here, what is the tax class? The tax class, as we all know, all items come with a GST, right? In case you file your GST, yes, you need to select the tax class. If in case you don't, you could leave it as nil rated GST. Now, this item, let's assume, carries a tax class of 12%, a GST value of 12%. So all I need to do is type in GS, and I see the options GST 5, 12, 18, etc. So I select 12 and hit enter, which takes me to the HSN or the SAC. If you are filing your GST returns, you'll know that every product or service has a definite HSN attached to it. You will be aware of the HSN. I'm sure you'll be aware of the HSN. In case you aren't, you could leave it blank. In my case here, or in our case, I'm going to enter this as 9099 and press enter. Here again, it says price per packet. The packet that we see here is a 10 rupee packet. So I'm going to enter 10, press enter. I have an opening stock of 20 packets or 20 such items. So I'm going to enter 20, press enter, and I press enter again, and the data gets saved automatically. Now with the data saved, this window blanks out, which means it gives me the opportunity to enter more items that I have in stock. To see if this item has been entered successfully, all I need to do is go back to inventory here. On the top menu, click inventory, select list of all items, and yes. You see here, Lay's Classic Salted. I've put in the HSN code as 9099 with a price tag of 10 and with opening stock of 20 packets. Now, this stock will increase when we purchase an item and the stock will decrease when we sell it. Right? So this is how you can keep a track. This is how easy it is to enter a new item in the PEASx software. If you have any doubts or need any clarifications, you can always comment below and we will definitely get in touch with you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.